everyone, today we are learning to write the letter N. Now this is the print video, which means that we're not joining it up. If you do join up writing, head over to my cursive playlist and you will find the joined up version of the letter N on there. Right, let's get started. So first of all we trace it, then we copy it, cover it up, no peeking. Finally, pop your pen in the start position, close your eyes and have a go at writing it. Okay, keep practicing that as much as you need to until you become really good at writing it and it feels really easy. And then when you've done that, you can move on to the next part of our lesson, which is writing it on a line. Now, N is a middle zone letter, and all that means is that it reaches up halfway between the bottom and the top line. And I've got the middle zone shaded on here just to make it easier to see. So when we're writing it, we start off about halfway between the bottom and the top line here. We go down and up and around. Down, up and around. You follow along, you have a go while you're doing yours. So down, up and around. Down, up and around. Keep going, you're doing a great job. Down, up and around. When that starts to feel easy, I've got a bit of a challenge for you. What I want you to do is to try and say the letter sound and the letter name when you write it. So we're going to do this. Is N. Is N. Is N. And you'll know that you're saying the sound correctly if your tongue is touching the roof of your mouth. So is N. Is N. And we're just going to keep going till we get to the end of the line. Is N. Is N. When you've done that, it's your turn to be the teacher. Have a look through them, see which one you think looks the best and give it a tick. I'm going to tick this one. Now I'm just going to move up my page and show you one more thing, because something that I see lots and lots of people do when they write an N, they do this. They make this stick far too long. And what does that look like? Can you see? It looks like a H or a H. So make sure that your stick, when you're writing it, is exactly the same height as this top bit of the N. And then nobody's going to get confused when you do your fantastic writing. So well done. I hope you've found that helpful. If you want to practice some more letters, go and look at some of the other print letters in my playlist, and you'll also find some words there that you can have a go at writing if you want to. Grown-ups, if you found this useful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again next week. Bye.